Hi, this is Derek with BSCpro. I wanted to give a quick tutorial on the Add Business page because we have been getting a few questions. I'll just do a rundown of the fields that are on the Add Business form. So we see here the date. That's going to be the date of the policy. Then the client name, obviously, is the name of the client. I'll put in John Doe here. And then select agents. By default, the logged in user is going to be set as the writing agent, but you can change that. If that is the case, you can search and select the agent that is the writing agent. And then if there is a split agent, you can search and select that person as well. You'll see a note here that the points will be split 50-50. In the future, we'll be working on a method to adjust a split because there are rare cases where a split may not be 50-50, but for now we're defaulting to 50-50. Then on the trainee field, if there is no trainee, you can just type none and then click where it says click here to add. And then on product, pretty soon we will have a pull down that will allow you to search and select the actual products that you're adding. But for now, just type it in. You can use whatever normal abbreviations you would, but you just manually type in a description of the product. The next field is AIR. That stands for Additional Insured Rider. That's just something to track. If you want to track it, it's an optional field. You don't have to click either way on that one. Then on actual points, you enter the number of points for the policy. And then you'll see here that because it was a split, it calculates the amount that are my points. If this is wrong, don't worry about it. Right now we're in the process of adjusting how we calculate the points, and so there may be a couple of cases where it doesn't seem to come out correctly for you. So don't worry, just put in your actual points as is, and when we push out the changes, the calculations will be corrected. Also, some people have asked about maps. We are working on a map feature, and the same goes for that. Go ahead and put in the actual points as is. Don't adjust them to try and make up for a map because when we do roll out the changes that will allow you to map people in your base shop, that is going to, it will cause some calculation errors if you have manually changed those numbers. So don't worry if it's not right. We are working on that. And then finally, notes. That's going to be anything important about the product, meds scheduled, whatever your base shop decides that you should track in that field. And then after that, you click Add to Tracker, and you're done.